Always come here. Just 90 dirham, 90 Taiwan dollars. Good shit. It's a good one. Delicious. For 9 dirhams, you're full. Busog ka na. Alright. Pork liver and liver. Let's try to eat. Ito yung glutinous rice. This is the glutinous rice and this is the soup. So we'll try. Para siyang lugaw. Kind of lugaw. Part of soup that where all the tofu and radish, you know. Yes. Prepare na siya yung pagkain natin with some soup, sauces, and some ginger and a chopstick. Oh. Alright. Alright, yung lugaw natin. That's it. And Ella. Sweet, salty, and spicy. Yung eat with the ginger. Masarap, masarap. Yung taste nila. Ako yun, this na the soup sa lugaw.
What's that?
Glutinous rice.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Sarap ng noodles. Sarap. Sarap. Full of flavor. Delicious.
Yeah, I'll try some now.
Bye.